study about the gates. Gates are the simply electronic circuit which works with one or more input signals and gives only one output signal. In the gates, we have two types. One is basic gates, another is derived gates. Let us today study about the basic gates. So, there are three basic gates. They are NOT, OR, AND gate. Now, the first one is NOT gate. So, in the NOT gate, we have to study the two things. One is truth table, another is its circuit symbol. So, truth table is you have to write the input part and you have to write output part. If input is the low signal, output is high. If input is high, output is low. So that the output is always complement of the input. So we write output as X complement. If input is X, output is X complement. So this is called the truth table for NOT gate. So this is the truth table for NOT gate. And its circuit symbol is given by like this. You have to draw a small triangle line, a circle. So if this is the input, X means this will be the output X complement. The NOT gate is called inverter because always the output is opposite to the input signal. For example, if this is boy means not boy is girl. Like that. If this is 0, not 0 is 1. We can also say like this. If 0 means false, output is true. False, output is true. If input is true, output is false. So that it is called truth table. So this is all about the NOT gate. It is called inverter because output is always opposite to the input signal. Now let us study about OR gate. OR gate. Once again in the OR gate, we have to study the truth table as well as the circuit symbol. If in the OR gate, minimum there must be two input signals. That is X and Y. You can also write it as A and B. Therefore, output is always in the form of addition. So now let us take the two input as false or low signal. Output is always low. Just you can say, you can study like this. 0 plus 0, 0. Similarly, if one input signal is low, another is high, output is always high. One must be there. 0 plus 1, 1. Like this you can remember. And if 1, let it be X. X is high, Y is low, then output is once again high. Just remember 1 plus 0, 1. Similarly, if both inputs are high, then output is also once again high. Okay. So false, false, always false. False, true, true. True, false, true. True, true, true. So this is called the truth table for OR gate. So this is for OR gate. What is this? This is the truth table. Truth table. Okay. You can see for two inputs you will get the 4. There may be 4 results. The symbol for OR gate is like this. Just you write as a O. Just cross it. OR gate. You can remember. OR O. Just cross it. Okay. So this is the symbol for OR gate. if the inputs are X and Y, always output will be in the form of X, Y. So this is for 2 inputs. You can also write the same thing as 3 inputs. For example, if 3 inputs are there, means just give the 3 input signal. X, this is Y, and let it be Z. Then what is the output? Output is in the form of X plus Y plus Z. Okay, same thing. You have to write the once again the truth table for 3 input also. So this is the truth table, and this is circuit symbol for OR gate. Okay, just you can remember it is in the form of addition. So 0 or 0, 0, 0 or 1, 1, 1 or 0, 1, 1 or 1, 1. You can say the form of true and false. False or false, false, false or true, true, true or false, true, true or true is once again true. One must be there. X or Y. Okay, here is there. Here true. Here true. True, true. So you will get true. So this is called OR gate. Now let us study about the AND gate. So AND gate also once again uses minimum 2 symbols, 2 input signals. Now let us study about AND gate. So minimum there must be 2 input signal. Let it be X and Y. Okay. Then what will be the output? It is in the form of multiplication product. X into Y to remember. So we put the dot here. X into Y. Okay. So now once again, if X is one input is 0, let us assume another input is also 0, then what is the output? Once again 0, because 0 into 0, 0, you can remember like that. Okay. Similarly, if 1 is 0, put 1, 0 into 1, 0, 1, here 0, 1 into 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1. So here false and false is always false. Low signal gives low signal in the circuit. So false, true, always false. False, true, false, false. True and true is always true. So this is the truth table for AND gate. So what is this? Truth table for AND gate. So this is the truth table. Okay. Now let us study the symbol, circuit symbol. You have to draw like this, straight line, then a U shape. So if there are 2 inputs, means you have to write X, Y. Then what is the output? It is X into Y. Okay. So this symbol represents AND gate. If there are 3 input, means just draw the diagram like this. So this is 3 input. You can write X, Y, Z. Then what is the output? X into Y into Z. Okay, here also you can just put the signals 0, 0. What is the output? 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 1. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. So like this, you can get the results. So this is about AND gate, truth table AND gate circuit symbol. This is for 3 input. For 3 input, you can write another truth table also. This is for 2 inputs, X and Y. For 3 inputs, we need 3 inputs, X, Y, Z. Okay. So output, if you know the binary form of 0, 1, 2, 3, like that means, you can write what is 1, what is 0, 0, 0, 0 is 0, 0, 0, 1 is 1, 0, 1, 0 is 2, 0, 1, 1 is 3, 1, 0, 0 is 4, and 1, 0, 1 is 5, 1, 1, 0 is 6. Similarly, what is 7? 1, 1, 1 is 7. Okay. So now see the output. Output is always X into Y into Z. This is for 3 input. Okay, what is 0 into 0 into 0? 0. 0 into 0 into 1? 0. 0 into 1 into 0? 0. 0 into 1 into 1? 0. 1 into 0 into 0? 0. 1 into 0 into 1? 0. 1 into 1 into 0? 0. 1 into 1 into 1 is always 1. So this is the truth table for 3 inputs for AND gate. So I hope you have studied NOT, OR, AND gate very well. Okay. So to get the updates, just subscribe our YouTube channel You Ask. Thank you.